Yes, you can replace a damaged toilet flange without removing the entire drain pipe, keeping disruption and cost lower. Start by turning off water and removing the toilet, then inspect the flange and surrounding soil or subfloor for rot or instability. If the flange ring is cracked but the drain pipe and subfloor are solid, use an oscillating multi-tool with a metal cutting blade to remove just the damaged flange top without disturbing the riser pipe. Work slowly to avoid nicking the pipe and keep a bucket handy for debris. For threaded or hub-style pipe, consider twist and set flanges which expand or clamp into the existing pipe wall. Measure the internal diameter precisely and choose the matching model for a snug, even fit so the wax ring seats correctly. Repair or retrofit flanges made to overlap the old flange are useful when bolt spacing is irregular. Align the new flange over the remaining collar and fasten through the existing screw holes or use stainless steel screws into the subfloor. If the subfloor is weakened, cut out a small access patch and sister a new piece of plywood under the flange area for a firm mounting surface. Then reinstall the retrofit flange so the flange sits flush with finished floor height. Finally, dry fit the toilet. Check that bolts are straight and the bowl does not rock. Then torque bolts evenly with hand force and use a non-hardening gasket or wax-free seal if you want easier future removal. Common mistakes include cutting too deep and damaging the drain pipe, which you can prevent by using a sharp, thin blade, clamping a metal guide to the pipe, and making short, controlled passes. Another frequent issue is choosing a flange that does not match the pipe inner diameter or bolt spacing. So always measure twice and bring a photo or the old flange to the store, and be prepared to use an adapter or a repair flange designed for mismatch. People also fail to reinforce a rotten subfloor, leading to flange failure after reinstallation, so if the floor gives when you press on it, cut and sister a new plywood patch or install a rosette of blocking so the flange screws bite into solid wood. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like partial flange replacement, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors discover new work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot specific repair scenarios together.